Here we go with B for banana. You're going to make a slight C shape and then flip it around and make the C shape on the outside. Now we're going to make a little stem at the top. And connect it. And make a little black piece at the top. Now go to the bottom and make a little black square on the bottom of the banana. And now we're just going to draw the peel lines. Perfect. And then lastly, you're going to make the big B and the little b at the bottom. And up at the top right, we're going to write banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. And there you go. B banana ba.